2024 Best Dual Sport Motorcycle for Beginners KTM 690 Enduro. As of 2024, the KTM 690 Enduro stands out as an exceptional choice for beginners venturing into the world of dual sport motorcycles. Renowned for its robust performance, advanced features, and KTM's commitment to cutting-edge design, the 690 Enduro offers an exhilarating and versatile riding experience for novice riders keen on exploring both city streets and off-road trails. Powering the KTM 690 Enduro is a potent 693 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This engine is specifically tuned to provide a balanced mix of power and control, making it suitable for riders new to the dual sport scene. The 690 Enduro's responsive throttle and substantial torque output allow for confident maneuvering through diverse terrains, from urban environments to challenging off-road trails. Design-wise, the 690 Enduro includes a purposeful and aggressive aesthetic, reflecting its off-road prowess. The bike features a lightweight chassis, high ground clearance, and distinctive KTM styling that emphasizes both form and function. The 690 Enduro's design not only communicates durability and capability but also signifies its ability to tackle various terrains with confidence, making it an appealing choice for riders who seek performance and style in a dual sport motorcycle. Comfort is a key consideration for dual sport riders, and the KTM 690 Enduro addresses this with its rider-centric design. The bike's adjustable suspension, comfortable seat, and well-placed controls contribute to an enjoyable riding experience, whether cruising through city streets or conquering challenging off-road paths. The 690 Enduro's ergonomic design encourages beginners to embark on extended journeys with ease. Handling is a standout feature of the 690 Enduro, characterized by its agility and precision. The bike's lightweight construction, advanced suspension, and well-balanced geometry make it well-suited for both on-road and off-road excursions. Novice riders will appreciate the 690 Enduro's responsive handling, allowing them to build confidence progressively while enjoying a stable and controlled ride in various conditions. Safety features are integrated into the 690 Enduro, including a robust braking system that provides ample stopping power. Additionally, advanced rider aids, such as ride-by-wire throttle and selectable riding modes, contribute to a safer and more customizable riding experience for beginners entering the dual sport realm. While the KTM 690 Enduro represents a more performance-oriented choice for beginners, its higher price point may be a consideration. However, for riders seeking a premium dual sport experience with advanced features and cutting-edge technology, the investment in the 690 Enduro can provide a rewarding and thrilling introduction to the dual sport motorcycle world. In conclusion, the 2024 KTM 690 Enduro stands as an outstanding choice for beginners entering the dual sport motorcycle arena. Its potent performance, advanced features, and aggressive design make